Hey there, tech enthusiasts and AI curious folks. Like and subscribe to WhatsNext YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of one-shot prompting. Buckle up because this is gonna be a fun ride. Well, it's primarily employed with those super smart AI models you've probably heard of. You know, the big players like ChatGPT, GPT-4, Gemini, and Claude. These advanced AIs are like the quick learners of the digital world. One-shot prompting is especially handy in situations where you do and have a ton of examples to work with. It's perfect for those "I need this done now, and I don't have time to feed you a million examples" kind of moments. Well, it shows just how powerful AI can be with just a tiny bit of context. Or it's like learning to use a new app by watching just one quick tutorial. You get the gist, and then you're off to the races. It's like the AI is a super fast learner, picking up on patterns quicker than you can say artificial intelligence. It's like giving the AI a really good first impression to work from. So choose your example wisely. Plus, it's great for those quick tasks when you don't want to spend ages giving loads of examples. It's like having a super smart intern who can figure out what you want after just one demonstration. Whether you're a busy professional needing to generate reports, a creative type looking for quick inspiration, or just someone who loves playing around with AI, one-shot prompting is a technique worth knowing. It's the perfect blend of efficiency and effectiveness. The fact that these models can learn from a single example and apply that knowledge to new situations is pretty mind-blowing. It's like we're teaching computers to think more like humans, quick, adaptable, and intuitive. Need a quick translation, one example, and you're good to go. Sometimes you might need to give the AI more context to get really accurate results. It's all about finding the right balance between speed and precision. Want to generate some code, but don't want to spend hours explaining the syntax? One-shot prompting has got your back. It's making AI more accessible and user-friendly for everyone, not just the tech wizards. It's fast, it's clever, and it's changing the game in how we interact with AI. Whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned pro, this is one technique that's definitely worth adding to your digital toolkit. So go ahead, give it a shot, pun totally intended. Who knows what amazing things you'll create with just one example? The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes AI so exciting. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun with it. So, what exactly is one-shot prompting? It's kind of like us humans. The more we know, the easier it is for us to pick up new skills quickly. These AIs are getting scary good at figuring things out from just a tiny bit of information. You might be surprised at how much you can accomplish with just one well-crafted example. Who knows, it might just become your new favorite AI trick. Well, imagine you're teaching your friend how to do something new, but instead of giving them a long, boring lecture or making them practice for hours, you just show them once and expect them to get it. We're talking text generation, translations, code writing, and answering all sorts of questions. On the plus side, it's fast, efficient, and requires minimal effort on your part. You don't need to rack your brain coming up with a dozen examples. Just one good one will do. But on the flip side, it can sometimes be less accurate than if you gave the AI more examples to work with. Occasionally, the AI might get the pattern wrong and give you a response that's a bit off. It's a goldmine for teachers who want to quickly generate lesson materials, students looking for study aids, content creators needing a spark of inspiration, and pretty much anyone using AI tools to make their life easier. That's basically what one-shot prompting is all about in the AI world. It's like showing your buddy how to tie their shoelaces with a single demonstration and then saying, "All right, now you try." Now, you might be wondering where this cool technique is used. But how does it actually work? It's pretty simple, really. You give the AI a single example of a question and its answer. That's it, just one. Then the AI uses that lone example, that one shot, to figure out the pattern. Well, not quite. There's zero-shot prompting, where you give the AI no examples at all, just the question. Then there's few-shot prompting, where you give it a handful of examples. One-shot prompting sits right in the middle, exactly one example, no more, no less. And apply it to new, similar questions. It's like the AI is saying, okay, I see what you did there. Let me try that with this new question. Let's break it down with a super simple example. Imagine you give the AI this prompt. Q, what's the capital of France? Paris. Q, what's the capital of Germany? The AI's job is to use that single example to guess that you're looking for a capital city. So it'll likely respond with Berlin. Pretty neat, right? Now, you might be thinking, wait, isn't this just like other types of prompting? So why is this so cool? To put it in everyday terms, one-shot prompting is like a chef watching a single cooking demo and then whipping up the dish on their own. This technique isn't just some niche thing either. It's got tons of practical uses. Of course, like anything in life, one-shot prompting has its pros and cons. Here's a pro tip for you. The clearer and more representative your one-shot example is, the better the AI's answers will be. And here's a fun fact that'll blow your mind. The smarter the AI gets, the better it becomes at one-shot learning. One-shot prompting is particularly awesome for those times when you need quick results, but don't have a database full of examples. Think about how this could change the way we interact with AI in our daily lives. But remember, while one-shot prompting is awesome, it's not always the best choice for every situation. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to appreciate just how far AI has come. So next time you're working with an AI tool, why not give one-shot prompting a try? And there you have it, folks. One-shot prompting explained in a nutshell.